Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey citizens, how y'all doing? Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And this unboxing video is like a mystery box. Today I was going to record a Louis Vuitton double unboxing, but that was put on hold. Yes, I will get to the Louis, but that was put on hold because the doorbell rang and I was not expecting a package. And I opened it and it was a delivery for my husband. He usually tells me if he orders something or he's expecting a package. And I called him up and he's like, oh, that's a surprise gift for you. And I'm like, well, I know my birthday is coming in August, so I have to wait till August to open it. And he's like, no, open it now and record it. It's your mystery box. Something he bought me that I don't know about. And usually, guys, sometimes I like surprises and sometimes I don't. So anyway, let's not ramble. Let's just get it open because this is like a true unboxing, guys. I have no idea what it is. And I'm super excited and anxious. So I put my Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have a double unboxing coming up. I put that on hold so I can unbox it. And it's a huge box. So let's get the box. It is huge. What is it? I have no idea. So he just told me to blank out our information and take a thumbnail. So here it is, thumbnail. What is it? I don't know. What is it? So let's just get it open and see what's inside of this mystery. It gotta be luxury because gotta be something luxury because it has signature required, and usually expensive stuff is signature required. So I don't know. Let's just get it open, guys. Let's see. This box is huge. Like I was saying, it's huge.
Let's get it open.
Ah. Guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but what is it? It's something from Balenciaga. No, I'm not going to open it. That's the receipt. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Guys, look how beautiful this package is from Balenciaga. So, this box is huge. Babe, what did you get me from Balenciaga? Look how cute this box is. And this ribbon. Okay, guys, let's get it open. What is in here? We'll save this for later. Swan bag. I feel the handle. So it's not shoes. Oh my goodness, guys. It is a white hourglass bag. Oh my goodness, babe. You know I wanted one of these. Oh my goodness. Let's put this down. This is so cute. What color is silver hardware or white hardware? Babe, this is so cute. I've been thinking about this bag since last Christmas or last year. And I was on the fence because I wasn't sure if I wanted white or nude. This is so cute. And this, I think this is the small size. Let me see if my... So, with Balenciaga you get, I guess, the care card and the tag. And comes with tissue paper. The dust bag is inside. Then it comes with another, I guess this is just another little, like a date code card. And I don't think it comes with like anything else. And then in the inside of the leather, it says made in Italy. And then I guess it has like the date code stamp inside. And that's it. Super cute. It's very tiny. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe he should have got me the bigger one. Oh, my phone fits in there. That's all I'm worried about. My phone, my keys, and a wallet, card holder. There's a back pocket too. My phone can. Oh, okay. Yeah, your phone could fit in the back pocket. And this is a iPhone 12. It's not the Max, but the Pro. iPhone 12 Pro fits in the back pocket. What a surprise! I love it. So I'm gonna take this. Let's take this foam off because I love it. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm such a lucky gal. Let's see if the strap is adjustable. Yes, it looks like the straps are adjustable and detachable. So we could take the straps off. The tissue paper. I don't need to have this. So how cute. This is the Balenciaga Hourglass in the small. This is so cute. And I definitely probably will carry it just top handle. Maybe crossbody if I wear it with like, I have like a cute little Balenciaga hoodie. So I would probably, if I dress it up, I would definitely just do top handle, carry it like this, or like this. Super cute. Yes, I could actually wear this today. I actually have on black and white all day. So I think I'm going to do some mod shots for you guys with my new Hourglass bag, Balenciaga. Yes, I love it. Thanks, babe. What a surprise. So cute and thoughtful. I love it. Thank you. Yes, so I'm going to do some mod shots, guys. With and without the strap. It's so cute. I love it. The Hourglass bag. So guys, if you're new here and you're not an official citizen yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you can be notified and become a part of the family. Become an official citizen. Until next time, guys, Sis signing off. Peace.